What it do, what it do? It's your boy Chef J, man. What you cooking, man? Happy Thursday. Just something to eat out to three, y'all. Something we put together. Baby homemade spaghetti, garlic bread, turkey spaghetti. Y'all stay tuned, man. What you say, J-Bo? Smell it through the phone. Now y'all see it, man. Baby famous spaghetti. Y'all stay tuned, man. Now y'all see it, man. Look at the navel oranges, man. Look at that. Seared, sliced thin chicken breast. Something I had up there in the freezer, man. When you feel like going to the store. Y'all see it, man. All that residue, look at y'all. Man, y'all see it. What it do, man? I'm back. Check out the little plate, man. Baby spaghetti with potato salad that was left over. With garlic bread I threw together. Look at this seared thin chicken breast, man. With the navel orange juice on it. Look at that. Now y'all like, subscribe, share, man, comment, man.